Productions. Today, we've got a Harbor Freight 2,500 pound winch. It's going on the front of this guy. Let's get started. Let's begin with unboxing this winch. Got our instruction manual here. Cool thing about these guys, they have a wireless remote here. Turn on and off, out and in. Pretty cool. There's the wireless receiver for that. Here's that little piece that the winch cable comes into. This is a fuse of some kind. I'm not sure. I'll have to look at the instructions. Here's some hardware, which the box just ripped open and dumped the hardware out. Badland 2,500 ATV winch. Now I've got this winch mounting plate I got from Ballard. Thank you, Ballard Golf and Power Sports. Alright, so the best idea I've got so far is mount the winch upside down, kind of like that. Looking at stuff, it doesn't appear to be in the way of anything. That's the best I got so far.
Who put this thing in here?
Me!
Well, heck you.
I got a pretty good angle for pressure.
Did you break that bit?
Yep.
I would
Souvenir.
be just as mad. Oh, I can pull you in a kayak in the garage. Quote of the year already. That's so dumb, I love it.
I don't know why I bolted that down, because I've got a weld right above it, so that was dumb. Alright, bend over.
Bend over. You're gonna freeze frame that, aren't you?
Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah.
Break my leg again.
So we gotta figure out what angle we need to
Okay, where's the
cut this at. We're gonna go get one of the mounting plates cut. Mr. Kart Kick's gonna cut this. Don't cut your finger out, too.
That thing has so many sparks at the end.
Told you. We have the mounts put in. I know they're sketchy, but I don't really care. They look like they're gonna work. Time will tell, I guess, but let's go ahead and get all this stuff bolted down and give her a test. Now let's do some wiring. Now let's go test it out after it's wired up and I've put a cross member in there too. Next time on Cartman Productions.
Hi! What you doing?
Oh no! What?
This would be a good thumbnail. We have a pickaxe and a knife now. Show them the knife.